Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. We are making besan ki burfi today. It is an Asian sweet made with gram flour and it is a quick recipe of making besan ki burfi. As you know, it is fall season and New Yorkers celebrate it with a symbol of pumpkin. So I also have some fall collection here. I hope you also love it. Now let's come to the ingredients of besan ki burfi. Gram flour 2 cups. Sugar half cup, whole milk 2 tablespoons, green cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, whole green cardamom 2, unsalted butter 8 tablespoons, almond flakes 2 tablespoons, extra virgin olive oil I am using 3 tablespoons. So let's start the process of making burfi. In a pan add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Also add butter and turn on the flame. Keep the flame medium high. Add 2 cardamoms. Cook them until butter is just melted. Then add besan or gram flour in it. Keep the flame medium low and cook it slowly. After 3 minutes, it will start to change color. When we will add milk and sugar in it, the besan will get a thick and soft texture to make perfect besan ki burfi. Let me show you the flame I am cooking it at this point. Keep it medium low so besan could not burn. After 7 minutes, it will start to change its colors to light brown, and after 10 minutes it is becoming thick and giving beautiful aroma to our house. After cooking for 15 minutes, it is ready to add milk and sugar in it. So turn off the flame. Add cardamom powder and sugar. Mix them. Then add milk. After adding milk, mix it very quickly for 30 seconds. It will become thick enough to make burfi. Shift it into a dish. It has butter in it which will make it firm, so we can cut it into pieces easily. It is ready to pour in dish. Press it little bit, then sprinkle almond flakes over it. That is good idea. Now sprinkle flakes and press hard with a flat spoon or anything you have. Then cut it in small cubes with the knife when it is warm. Enjoy very yummy besan ki burfi with your family and friends. Inshallah.